Social Engineering Toolkit, SET. The Social Engineering Toolkit, SET, was created by Trusted SEC. It is an open-source Python-driven, specifically designed tool to perform advanced attacks against the human element. It's a standard tool in a penetration tester's arsenal. The attacks built into the toolkit are designed to be targeted and focused attacks against a person or organization used during a pen test or ethical hacking. You can download SET from Trusted SEC's GitHub and use any platform you want, and it's already embedded in Kali and ready to use. The tree on the slide shows the attack types under the Social Engineering Attacks branch of the main menu SET. And the green layer shows the methods of website attack vector options. I mean, there are many more methods and attack vectors in the toolkit. Let's see one of the attack methods of the Social Engineering Toolkit, Credential Harvester Attack. In this attack, first we should choose a website which has a login sequence that the victims often visit. The toolkit prepares the clone of that website and serves it at the server. Our trap is ready and starts to collect the inputs of the victims. When a victim visits our website, he or she will face exactly the same page that he or she visits often. The victim enters the credentials and we collect them. Let's do it together. Social Engineering Toolkit is installed and ready to use in Kali. It's defined in the path so you can start the toolkit anywhere using set toolkit command. Choose Social Engineering Attacks option in the main menu, that's number 1. As the attacked vector, select Website Attack Vectors, that's number 2. And our attack method is the Credentialed Harvester, number 3. This menu is the list of the phishing website creation methods. Let's choose Site Cloner, number 2. We need to have a website where the victims visit and log in often. I want to find a login page for the NHS. Googling for NHS and login keywords, email.nhs.net seems good. Postback IP address is used for what IP the server will post to. Now this is the URL to clone. I use email.nhs.net. The version of the toolkit I use is 7.6.1, and when I want to clone a website, I get a zip importer error and the method does not continue. When I Google the error message, I found a solution for this problem in the Issues section of the GitHub page on the Social Engineering Toolkit. Go to /etc/ctoolkit/set.config file. In line 95, turn off to on. And save the file before closing. Now run the SE Toolkit again. Follow the menus again, 1, 2, 3, 2. Enter the IP address of our Kali machine as postback IP address. Enter email.nhs.net as the URL to clone. The same error message is here again, but now the program continues and asks for starting Apache's server if it's not running at the moment. Answer Y for yes, and the trap is ready. The site's cloned, Apache's server is started, and the credential harvester is listening to the inputs now. As the victim, when we visit the malicious website, we will see exactly the same page with email.nhs.net. Enter the username and password, click Sign In. Our malicious website redirected the victim to the original page, email.nhs.net. It's a good idea. The victim will not be in any doubt about the fraud. Turn back to the attacker system, Kali, and you'll see the credentialed information entered by the victim. You can leave this command window. Everything is still running and logging under your web directory path /var/www/html. To make the credential harvester attack more realistic, you can use some tricks. For example, you can use the domain name of the target company as a subdomain name of your registered domain name. Suppose that you're the owners of xyz.com domain, and the domain name of the target company is thecompany.com. You can prepare a URL like thecompany.xyz.com. Another way to make the attack more realistic is to buy a domain name similar to the domain of the company. For example, if the target domain is thecompany.com, you can try to buy the company with a double N. You can also use the URL Crazy tool to find out the alternative website names. If you're an insider, you can try to match the domain name with your IP address to redirect the victims to your servers using DNS spoofing.